This is David Mamet of Lotto Odds and Match 3 Colors. It is June 9th, 2024. Okay, this video is for the members who have both subscriptions, one to the prediction page and one to the auto predict page. I'm going to show you how to utilize this quick pick feature, auto strategy here, page 5 of it. So when you choose box numbers and then you click to 5, you'll get this page here. I'm going to show you how you can utilize this page to drastically reduce these numbers here without removing the winner. Okay, and also what we're going to do is we're going to add this to this page, this web page. So until we do, you can utilize it now and practice with it. It's a pretty cool feature and it produces a lot of wins. First, let me show you. I did a test yesterday and I showed how many numbers there were or removed and where the winner was, where it fell. For example, here, this was Minnesota, and the numbers were taken out. These two numbers were taken out. The only number that remained was 224, which was level 3 here, 3. Okay, I'm going to show you how that corresponds to here. Okay, to here, level 5, because that page that I just showed you here, right here, which is on page 3 of the quick pick feature, right, is basically the same page as here. This is just laid out different. It's just two different layouts. That's all. Okay. So anyway, so this one showed the winner was right there. 1224. Now this one here, let's see, 449 showed there was only 1, 2, 3 numbers. Okay, because here level 2 ended up taking out these 3 and left these 3 here, and 4 was the winner. And this one here that I tested, it took out all the numbers except 1. It's right there. You could see it in front of you. That level 4 had only 1. 1, 2, 2. The other ones are duplicates. So those were removed. And it won. 1, 2, 2. Let me see if I have another one. Yeah, so here's one where 038 was the winner. Okay, and this was Pennsylvania. Took out all these numbers and just left. So there was 12 numbers. It just left 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers right there. Let's see if I got another one for you. Okay, this one was 046. This was Texas 046. It took out all these numbers. Had 11 numbers and left you with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, here's one with Maine. I had 18 numbers. Just took out these numbers. 037 was the winner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. So it took out, 5 numbers. But most of the time it takes out quite a bit of numbers. I'm going to show you how you can do this manually on your own. All right. First, let me show you how we're going to implement it on the web page. Let's see here. It's going to be implemented. And I want to show you some issues that we're going to be fixing with this as well. Let's see. It's going to be implemented like this. See that? So you can have a quick pick here. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you can have a column here, quick pick level here, and it's going to have the numbers here so you can see what may be coming out next. And you could just click this button and it'll remove all the numbers except numbers for that level 1. Okay, and let me show you where these levels are. Okay, so right there. And this has been around for a number of years. So quick pick, I think 2, 3 years, if not more. So quick pick level here, there they go. These are the numbers. Now look at the 2s. Look at the 2s, how the 2s hit and just, dominating. Looks like it dominates right? So we're going to work with the 2 when I work with this. Now, one of the things we're going to do here is we're going to modify this and we're going to remove duplicate numbers, okay? So you can do what I'm doing now, okay? And then apply it to the web page here, all right? So I'm going to show you, all right? All right, so here it goes. So this is Texas. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what state it is, but this is just an example. So the level 4, right? When you see the greens, the greens means that they're duplicates. They have duplicate numbers in each level, okay? But we're going to work it this way. You're going to start out with level 4 and just cross out all the greens, right? The duplicate numbers from levels 3, 2, and 1, okay? And then you're going to come up. So you're going to remove duplicates going up, okay? So when you go to level 3, anything that's duplicate from level 2, you're going to remove like that. I removed, right? And it leaves you with those numbers. You're going to do the same thing for that. So whichever pair sum you're going to work on, you just go to what is it, number 5, right? Number 5, yeah. Page 5 of Quick Pick. Page 5 of Quick Pick. Okay, yeah, right there. Page 5 of Quick Pick, and work whatever pair sum you're working on. All right, and you may want to, because you're dealing with such few numbers, you may want to work with multiple pair sums. This is the coolest thing. Work with multiple hit miss and pair sums. All right. So hold on one sec. All right. So now when I did this from the 8-pair sum, right? 8-pair sum 1 3 8 2 2 8 3 1. Here they go. See, and the web page, I did singles, hit, and pink. Okay, it came up with these numbers. It was 19 numbers, right? But look, when I did it this way and I reduced it because I'm looking for level 1 to hit. Next, level 1, right? I'm going to go back to show you again. Level 1, I'm looking for, level 2. I'm looking for this to hit more again, right? I'm going after this, right? And you might do research and you might figure out, look, you might see something like this come out, all these 4s come out, and you say, oh, I think level 2 or 3 may come out. Since level 2 is going to come out, I think I'll go with level 2, okay? So you research your states and you see, hey, I think level 2 is going to come out in this state, so you'll do something like that, what I'm doing here, okay? And you could do it with multiple pair sums. So do exactly like I do here, okay? So now you can see the numbers clear. Then I see how I circled here, highlighted, or whatever you want to call it, boxed in L level 2. So there, level 2 took out these numbers, okay? Why? Because they're not in level 2. These numbers that I took out are not in level 2. For example, 822, all these here that I crossed out were not here in level 2, 822 level 2. Okay, the only ones that were there were 2 numbers. Yep, only 2 numbers. That was 0, 0, hold on, let me load it. 016 and 369. See, 016, 369, right there. And then here, 089 and 078 for 831, and you got here 379 and 037 and 039 for 813. Out of 19 numbers, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. If this pattern comes out next, right, with the 2, with the level 2, okay, level 2 like that, okay, the winner will be one of these numbers, all right? And then you can do this for other pair sums. So here's for the 9, right? And I took the 9s, 933, 921, 912. I just crossed out all the duplicates going from bottom to up so I could see them more clearly. And then look at all the numbers that have been reduced. Look, it started out with 27 numbers, right? But look how many numbers there are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers from 27. You moved 19 numbers. And yes, if level 2 comes out, right, with this pattern level 2, okay, one of these numbers are going to win, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One of these 8 numbers are going to win, okay? That is for sure. One of these 8 numbers will win. There are issues that we need to fix, but you can practice with it and back test it and then see how it goes. We do need to fix some issues with this, and we're going to be working on it today. but it's good you should start practicing with it, because when we do release the feature like that, you will be used to it. You'll see this column here, and you see exactly what's hitting the most. And then the great thing is, because you're dealing with a few numbers now, you can ride multiple pair sums with it. So you could play all the pair sums, all the 5 pair sums, or three of the ones that three that come out the most, and just ride it, trying to hit the 1, the 2, or 3, or the 4. Okay, like that. All right, and you'll be dealing with very few numbers. So this is a very powerful feature when we combine it with these 3 filters here. Okay, so this is going to be awesome when we get this done. Hopefully we'll have it done within a few days. It will definitely be released should definitely be released this week. Now let me show you the areas that I located so you're aware of them. For example, 122 with this winner, 122, right? It came out here in 4th level. It showed you here, but when it was noted here on the 2nd level. Okay, this is after the win. So if you play the 4th level here, you would have won. You would have won it. But when it noted, it had on level 2. Okay, in level 2, let me highlight this. As you see here, there is no 122 there. So we got to correct that. And let's see here. Here, this came out 668, right? The winner was 668. If you picked level 3, you would have won anyway. But when it was after the draft and it was noted, it came out in level 2 right here. So again, this has to be corrected. And here as well, if you picked here level 3, 455, okay, you would have won anyway. But when it came out as level 2. Okay, so and it came out and it's showing here level 1, 455 and 455. So in actuality, when we revise this, it's going to be on level 1 right there. Okay, because we work from bottom to up, from level 4 to up. So anything above that has a duplicate, it's going to be removed. So I should say anything from below, okay, that has duplicate numbers from above, those numbers will be removed, as I previously showed you. Okay, but you can practice with this now, utilize it, and then back test it and see how it is. Okay, because you can really reduce these numbers drastically down to even one number. Okay, one number like that. All right, and then so when we release this feature, you will be up and running and knowing exactly how it functions instead of starting from scratch. Okay, and then we're going to add that to the mobile app. Let's see what the mobile app is. Oh, bear with me one sec. Let's see here it is. Okay, so in the mobile app, we're going to have it like that. So these are mandatory questions that need to be answered on the mobile app. They'll produce, once you answer all 3 of them, they'll produce numbers. And then you can really actually just use this one feature here, and it could get your numbers down to 1, 2 numbers. Okay, this one feature by just looking at the quick pick column here and seeing what may come out, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, and you can even ride those with your pair sum until it hits, because you'll be playing with such few numbers. So that's where we're taking this, and that is all the filters we're going to be adding to the mobile app page and the mobile app itself. Okay, because this is all you need, and by us adding this quick pick features, that's it. You could get it down to 1 number, as I've shown you. All right, I wish you the best.